Setting up lead enrichment on Apollo.io can give your sales team the data they need to connect with high-quality prospects faster and more effectively. By the end of this video, you'll know how to integrate lead enrichment on Apollo.io to supercharge your outreach and improve your targeting with just a few simple steps. Now, Apollo.io offers an easy way to enrich leads using their robust database. If you're new to the platform, you might be wondering how to take full advantage of it. First off, Apollo.io has a database of over 200 million contacts, so you'll never run out of quality leads to work with. To set up lead enrichment, you'll want to start by navigating to the Leads Kit tab. From here, you can either upload a list of contacts or manually add individuals to your account. Once your leads are in, you can activate the enrichment feature. Simply click on the Enrich Leads option, which will pull in additional data for each contact, such as company details, job titles, emails, and social links. Apollo.io uses advanced algorithms and AI to pull this data from across the web, and it's all automatically populated within your lead profiles. This enrichment is especially valuable for marketers and salespeople who need to target the right people quickly. The more data you have on a lead, the better you can tailor your outreach, and Apollo.io does the heavy lifting for you. Now let's talk about how to make sure this works efficiently. After you've activated lead enrichment, Apollo.io will allow you to filter leads based on the quality of their data. You can set parameters to exclude contacts with missing information or leads that don't meet your ideal customer profile. This ensures you're focusing on high-value prospects and not wasting time on incomplete or irrelevant data. Apollo.io also offers Smart Enrichment, which allows you to automate the entire process. When new leads are added to your account, Apollo.io will automatically enrich them in the background, keeping your CRM database fresh and up to date without you lifting a finger. This is especially useful when you're managing large volumes of leads and don't want to spend extra time on manual updates. A bonus feature is that Apollo.io's enrichment can also be used to clean your existing data. So if you have a list of older leads, or if you're working with an outdated CRM, running enrichment will give you updated and more accurate information for future campaigns. If you're wondering about the accuracy of this data, rest assured that Apollo.io pulls from reliable sources to give you the best contact and company information available. The platform integrates with third-party apps, making sure the data stays synced across your system. You can get started on Apollo.io right away. You can use the software completely free by signing up through the first link in the description below, and with our exclusive bonus offer, you'll get additional features to supercharge your marketing and sales even further. In summary, activating lead enrichment on Apollo.io is one of the easiest ways to improve your lead targeting and ensure that your outreach efforts are as efficient as possible. It automates data gathering, helps clean up old leads, and saves your team time by ensuring they always have the most accurate information. And remember, you have access to an exclusive extended free trial by signing up through the link in the description. So don't wait, start optimizing your leads with Apollo.io today.